Okay, we have a beautiful Olympiad mathematics question. Find the integer solution of x and y, where x and y is a positive integer. The first step is that I'm going to take the LCM. The LCM of x and y is what? xy. So for this, I'm going to have y plus x is equals to what? 1 over 10. You understand? I just take the LCM, then x divided by xy, that is y multiplied by 1, that is y divided by xy, that is x multiplied by 1, that is what? X is equals to what? 1 all over 10. Now, the next step is to what? Cross multiply. So I'm going to have 10 into bracket y plus x is equals to what? xy. Please, I want you to pay attention. So if you open this bracket, I'm going to have 10y plus 10x is equals to what? xy. You understand? So this can also be written as xy is equals to what? 10y plus what? 10x. I just brought this and I bring this back. So okay, bring the right hand side of this equation, bring it to the left hand side. So I'm going to have xy minus 10y minus 10x is equals to what? 0. Okay, now let us factorize y, because we have xy in this place, we have 10y in this place, we can factorize. So I'm going to have y into bracket what? X minus 10. You understand? We're going to rewrite this minus 10x as this. Minus 10 into bracket x minus 10 minus 100. This expression that you see here is also the same thing as what? Minus 10x. How? If you multiply minus 10, multiply x, we're going to get what? Minus 10x. If you multiply minus 10, multiply what? Minus 10, we're going to get what? Plus 100. Plus 100 minus 100, that is 0. If you don't understand, let me put it down here. That is minus 10 into bracket x minus 10 minus what? 100. Minus 10 multiplied by what? X, that is what? Minus 10x. Minus 10 multiplied by minus 10, that is what? Plus 100 minus 100. This is also the same thing as what? Minus 10x. So I just rewrite this expression as this so that I'll be able to solve this equation. Okay, now the next step is to move this 100 to the left hand to the right hand side of this equation. Don't forget that this is equals to what? 0. So I'm going to have y into bracket what? X minus 10 into bracket what? X minus 10 is equals to what? 100. Okay? Y minus 10 into bracket x minus 10 is equals to what? 100. Okay, now we have gotten to this point. 100 can be expressed as 1 multiplied by 100, which is also the same thing as 100. 2 multiplied by 50. 4 multiplied by 25. 5 multiplied by 20. 10 multiplied by 10. 50 multiplied by 2. 25 multiplied by 4. 20 multiplied by what? 5. So these are the expression of 100. That is, when I take the value of this expression, it's also the same thing as what? 100. Okay, let's take the first step. Y minus 10 into bracket x minus 10 is equals to what? 1 multiplied by 100. So for this bracket, I'm going to have is equals to 1, and for this bracket I'm going to have what is equals to what? 100. So I'm going to have y minus 10 is equals to 1, and what? X minus 10 is equals to what? 100. So if y minus 10 is equals to 10, if y minus 10 is equals to 1, y is equals to what? 10 plus 1, that is 11, and x is equals to what? 100 plus 10, that is what? 110. Please, are you following? Now let us take the second expression. Let's take the second expression. Y minus 10 and what? X minus 10 is equals to 2 multiplied by what? 50. 2 multiplied by 50. So y minus 10 is equals to 2. That is, this will be equals to this, and this expression will be equals to what? This. So y minus 10 is equals to 2. Therefore, and what? X minus 10 is equals to what? 50. Okay, if y minus 10 is equals to 2, y is equals to what? 2 plus 10, that is 12. And x is equals to what? 50 plus 10, because when I move minus 10 to the other side of this equation, the negative sign will change to what? Positive sign. So 50 plus 10, that is what? 60. So for the second expression, the value of y is what? 12, and the value of x is what? 60. So let us proceed to the third expression. So I'm going to have y minus 10 into bracket x minus 10 is equals to 100. So y minus 10 x minus 10 is equals to, for the third expression, the third expression of 100 is what? 4 multiplied by what? 25. So that is 4 multiplied by 25. So this will come to this, and this will come to this. So I'm going to have y minus 10 is equals to 4, and x minus 10 is equals to what? 25. So y is equals to 4 plus 10, that is 14, and x is equals to 25 plus 10, that is 35. So for the third expression, which is 4 multiplied by 25, the value of x and y is 35 and 14 respectively. These are the value of x and y that you are going to get if you use the same approach. 110,11, that is, x is what? 110 for the first expression of 100. X is what? 110, and y is what? 11. That's why I have 110,11. For the second expression of 100, which is what? 2 and 50, x is 12, and y is 12, and x is 60. That is why I have 60,12. For the third expression of 100, which is what? 4 multiplied by 25, x is 35 and y is 14. That is why I have 35,14. So if you use the same approach, you are going to get all these value of x, y. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please, I would like you to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so that when I drop new video, you are going to get update. Thank you very much.